Hello, good morning. Myself Nutan, and I welcome you all to my channel Exploring the World of Investments. Before going to our today's topic, first I would like to tell you last time we have seen the mutual funds. The video was too big and I was not able to upload it on the YouTube. So I divided the same into 4 sessions. So I request you all go to all the 4 sessions. You will get the information on that. If you are having any kind of doubts, you can anytime write me. Hi, good morning. Myself Nutan. Today we are going to see what is the PPF account. So, PPF account, the full form of PPF account is Public Provident Fund. So, it's a tax saving investment scheme introduced by the Government of India. Okay, and it's a popular investment scheme which offers guaranteed return for the investors with the income tax benefit. Okay, so we can get the benefit of triple tax, that is triple XEEE, that is exempt. Okay, so this is one product which is introduced by the Government of India. So which means wherein the and it we get the tax benefit. It means whatever the amount invested into that and whatever interest earned on that plus the maturity amount, everything is tax free under section 80C, okay, of the Income Tax Act 1961. So any individuals can invest into that. So in this individuals can start investing the funds. Minimum amount of investment is rupees 500 and the maximum amount is 1,50,000 per financial year. Government decides the rate every year. Okay, so in 2021 if you'll see, the rate of interest which is offered on this PPF is 7.1%. It's a current ROI, you can say that. Okay, total lock-in period is of 15 years. So as I said, minimum amount of investment starts with rupees 500. Maximum you can invest up to 1,50,000. 15 years is the lock-in period. Okay, 7.1% is the rate of interest as per the current ROI, and it is subject to quarterly updates at the discretion of the Government of India. So after 15 years, if you want to continue with this, you can either withdraw after 15 years, either you can withdraw the funds or you can extend the PPF for next 5 years. Okay, so you can keep extending the PPF in the block of 5 years. So extension of block of 5 years can be done indefinitely. So salaried as well as self-employed both can invest into PPF account. So now, as I said, the lock-in period is of 15 years, and if somebody needs some money in between, so we have the you can avail the facility of loan against PPF. Okay, so after the completion of 3 years of opening the account and up to the 6th year, up to the end of 6th year from the date of the account opening, you can avail the loan. So this loan amount also you can avail up to 25% of the corpus. Fine. So only 25% of the corpus can be claimed as a loan against PPF for your need, and then you have to repay the loan in next 36 months. Okay, and this PPF account is you can open in banks, you can open with the post offices, and also there are many financial institutions, financial service providers who can help you with this account opening. Yes, so this is what I wanted to tell you about the PPF account. So if you are having any kind of queries, you can write me, you can put it in the comment box. I will definitely get back to you on this. Thank you. So keep watching. Please subscribe, share the informations and like my channel. Thank you very much.